All right, hi everybody, it's Rich Santos, and today I am on my second road ride on the 2020 road bike build. So I've only got like 40 miles on this thing, not enough to do any kind of substantive review. My first impressions is that it's a really sweet group set for the amount of money you spend. Is it amazing? No, but it does the job, and I think that's what we're looking for at this price point. So in truth, for those of you who are new to the channel, I want to thank you for tuning in, possibly subscribing, possibly commenting. That means a lot to me. I've had a channel now for a few years, been really sporadic with my videos. I'm just a hobby bike builder, hobby kind of bike engineer. I want to try to put things together in my own way. I'm not a pro level athlete by far. I'm not a pro level mechanic by far. I just go into my basement and I chop and change and think about what I can do, usually on a budget, because it's just a hobby for me. So take my experiences as they are, and I offer what I can offer. I'm gonna do a little ride today. Hopefully I'll be able to manage to shoot a couple of action shots. Probably I'll end up taking it back to the basement where we'll just run through how the shifting works and some of the quirks and some of the small nuances that I don't love. But overall, so far, really liking the group set, and the build, super well done. It's a fun bike. This is a little kicker of a climb, so I'll probably get into my 34 just for the fun of it on this second bump here. I'm in my 25. Let's go to the 28. Super smooth. And let's go to the 34. Easy. Easy as spinning. Was that stupid? Probably. My first ever action shot. This thing kicks up here like this little 100 yards, like 17%. I'm in the 28 now that I'm totally out of breath and cresting this climb. I do want to mention a few things that will probably get glossed over. A love this bar tape. Total no-name brand. Amazon. $8. It's got a really nice tacky feel to it. I don't know if it'll last that long, but it feels good. And if this audio sucks, I apologize. I also think that now this is not groundbreaking, but I'm loving the 25C tire width. Just that extra bit compared to my 23s that I'm used to on road bikes. It really does feel like it's a little bit more compliant. I feel like I absorb just that little bit of the imperfections. I mean, our roads are imperfect. You know, we have oil and stone, potholes. I mean, that's why a lot of the times I feel like our dirt roads are better. But these 25s, they feel fast. All right, so that pretty much completes my ride. Not a far one today, just a 25 miler. I just have this one last longish descent down into town and we'll give it a go.